Kall blir man inte i alla fall.
Vad är det?
Kall blir man inte i alla fall.
Nej. Bara man håller sig torr.
Ja,
det är det viktigaste av allt.
Det här är jättemysigt.
Hi there everyone. Now we are out in the woods and this winter wonderland. Look at this. This is absolutely fantastic. And we have parked the adventure truck, and I've set up a tarp, and we are going to set up the hot tent to take some pictures just for fun, and we're going to make a little fire and have some lunch. So it's nothing special. It was just a lovely day for taking pictures and make a little video and so on. So behind me here, there is the adventure truck parked, and I've set up the tarp on the side, and my daughter is shuffling the snow so we can set up a tent, and as I said, take some pictures. So what are we up to today? Actually just having a great day outdoors and have a nice lunch. It's Saturday, so perfect, so relaxing, and there is no sound at all around here. It's like absolutely perfect. So we are a couple of maybe 10 kilometers outside in the woods from a big road, so it's not so far. It is quite a lot of snow, as I mentioned. I think they have been here with the plow for maybe a couple of days ago. But tonight there was snowing like 15 centimeters, so it came a lot last night, and that is perfect for the adventure truck, because it's a 6-wheel drive and there's absolutely no problems at all. I have snow chains for it, but it's not necessary at all. Maybe if I should drive in over there, maybe, but no, that's not legal, so we're not gonna do that. nice to have you today, and we're going to move on here so we can get the stuff up and have some lunch. So thanks for watching, and be right back.
Hello again. I just want to show you how deep the snow is. I'll show you the tracks. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's deep. I got to show you something else.
Da-da. Now it's time for the tent. Dee-dee-dee-dee. So.
Jag skulle kunna ta mig ner, men jag tror det är frysa snart. Jag skulle rätta till byxorna.
Vad heter ställning? This is for cleaning, for drying the clothes around the fire. So. Hello, my name is Johan and I'm from Adventure North, Sweden. If you want to experience the beautiful nature of Sweden, I am your guide. Welcome to Sweden and Roslagen.
Upp med huvudet.
Ser du toppen?
Ja, där ja.
Vart ska jag sitta då?
I den där hållaren som det är en plastkåpa.
Den här?
Jag vet inte, jag ser inte. Men det är en grej som går ihop som är alldeles spetsig som passar i hålet där.
Ja, jag tror jag tycker det.
Är det bara en så är det där.
Skjuter du på underifrån eller bortifrån eller?
Vänta nu. Som sagt, det är alldeles för tajt.
Är det? Ska jag stå kvar och hålla då?
Ja, det är bra det.
Men när han tittar lite. Ska jag ta ner den? Fixa?
åkte ur allting här. Har ni där du?
Ja, det står att jag själv, men jag klarar att hålla.
Om du får där nu kan du börja ordning elden till.
Okej. Plats. Ska du spela in eller?
Ja. Hello again. Now we have set up camp. The tent is up and the tarp is still holding. So should we go for a little walk around the camp?
Yeah, let's
This
show
is,
it off.
As you heard, Samantha is with me. She has digged the snow around the tent because it was a little too small. The space was a little bit
Didn't
too
really realise that the tent was so big.
small.
I
No.
mean, we know it's big, but that big?
So
And we found the perfect spot.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the perfect spot.
over there, as I showed you before, yes. And there is my daughter Thea, and she's going to light the fire today with I suppose she's using the fire steel. So let's go for a little walk. Whatever. The adventure truck. Look at the height from the ground. It's no problem with snow at all. So let's go.
So
as
let me
is.
open the door for you.
Samantha is showing the way. So here we are under the tarp, and this is inside is so dark now. I haven't done anything yet on the inside, so let's go back here for the tent, which is I hooked it up to the truck. Hopefully no one will drive away. It's a lot of snow here, so now this. And it's snowing a little bit, so it's nice. Should we go inside?
Welcome.
Thank you. This is inside the tent, and over here it's a lot of space for the
Stove?
the stove. Yeah, the tent stove, which is at home because we are just supposed to take some pictures from the outside today. But looks like this. So that's about it. Let's go out again. Now Thea is trying to start a fire with a fire steel. Let's see how that goes.
Har vaselinen långt ner?
Ja. Jag försöker skjuta den, det går inte.
Du ska flytta vaselinen? Plocka upp den i fingret.
Den är verkligen gnistrig.
Vänta om du plockar isär vaselinet först, eller bomullen. Hello again. Now we have taken down the tent, and we are still waiting for the fire, and we're collecting some wood, and soon there will be sausage. That's good. The weather is still fine, so just a great day outdoors. And here comes Samantha with some sticks for the fire, and she got the new trousers, which is a what do we call them?
Military.
Yes, but because of the heat, it's a thick
The
warming trousers
yeah.
from the Swedish military called M90.
Perfect. Really,
Yeah.
really nice.
Like 380 crowns, so it's
Good.
fairly cheap.
And it's good stuff.
Yeah.
I'm very happy.
Yeah. So what shall we do? Collect wood. Keep the fire going. So you can just hang around with us here around our little camp for the day. Oh, the fire is going. Det här blir jättebra.
Det kanske jag inte behöver nu.
Jo, lägg på bara. So, here's our little fire. And soon there are sausages.